These are the guys cleaning up with the shelter in place. The day job's on a skeleton crew, but we still have to work because we take care of critical systems. H.V.A.C. baby. But look at these guys are cleaning house. There's no one to close the trash cans. These guys are cleaning up. He's got his cohort over here. He's over there snacking on something, and there's another one down here that's trying to. Where'd he go? There's another one down there he's trying to join the party. There he is. Here he comes. Oh, they got some Reese's right there. That guy scored a big old nut. And he's still, oh, there he goes. He got up there. Ping, ping. Oh, yep. Here it goes. Here comes the showdown. Oh, he fell off. That was the showdown was going down. Oh. Let's see if he makes it back up there.